by. Hope you're having a good day today. I'm at the Houston Livestock Rodeo and I'll be eating some food like turkey leg, corn dog, corn on the cob. So here I am. There's my corn on the cob at the rodeo. I'm gonna put some stuff on it. That's good. I'm at the Houston Livestock Rodeo. I'm at the carnival. I'm at the tent, and I just ate a corn on the cob, and now I'm gonna try to get me a foot-long corn dog. Okay. The new thick and crispy fat bacon. I think this is new. I've never seen it before. I come to the rodeo like almost every year, and I think this is new. I've never seen it before. Fat bacon. That's good.
I used to break one.
I know.
I think I told you.
Yeah, I saw your
So,
pictures.
thank you for watching. I'll be eating at the Houston Livestock Rodeo and the carnival. Thank you, and until next time. Thank you, God bless you.